Does your True Induction Cooktop give you this error code? This error code indicates that the cooktop doesn't detect any cookware. Let's start by making sure your cookware is compatible with an induction cooktop. Grab your cookware and a magnet. If your magnet firmly sticks to the bottom of the pan or pot, it is induction compatible. Let's test it out by boiling some water. Grab your induction cookware and turn your cooktop to a high heat setting. Also, did you know that a true induction cooktop can boil a cup of water in just under 90 seconds? Just make sure it's on heat level 7 or higher. While that boils, let's take a look at true induction glass covers. Keep your cooktop looking brand new with these premium silicone mats that protect your cooktop. Whether you're boiling or cooking a meal, these mats are here to protect. And if your cooktop is still not detecting your cookware after these steps, you will need to replace the sensor. Please go to Watch 2 DIY to watch how to replace a sensor on a true induction cooktop.